In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Camry key fob and change the internal battery at home. This is really easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is to look to the bottom of the device, and you can see there's this little switch here. We're going to hold that down and pull out the internal key. Set that to the side, and now you can see there's the keyhole, that large hole, and then across from it, perpendicular to it, there is a little slot in the plastic. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver, go into that hole, not this one, the one right across from it. We're going to go into that hole, push the screwdriver in, and just hold this device loosely and twist the screwdriver, and that will crack this thing open. Now you can take the back piece of plastic, set that to the side, and just lift out this little area with the battery in it. Now here, I recommend using a smaller tool. You can kind of work it out with a large flathead screwdriver like this, but you might end up kind of bending the plastic. The best thing to use is something like this precision screwdriver, or if you just have a really small screwdriver. Basically, we just want something that can fit into this little hole. You could probably use a paper clip. If you have a thick paper clip and you bend it out, go ahead and just use that. If you don't have anything, I will recommend this little set of precision screwdrivers. It's got flat and Phillips head, different sizes, and it's just a couple of bucks on Amazon. So if you have nothing, check out the description. There will also be a link for that. So take whatever you have, and we're just going to push into this area, go down to the bottom, and we're just prying the battery out. So we can really safely remove this thing with a tool like that. We literally just pry it out. It's very easy. And of course, this is a CR2032 battery. We want to make sure this positive side is going face up. When we put it back in here, it's going to be face up. So you will see that text. Whoops. Just push it back in there. Let me show you that one more time. It doesn't take that much force. We're just going to kind of position it down, pushing it towards the bottom, and then just click the top right into place. Now all we need to do is set this on top of the rubber component there, and then put the back directly on top of that. And we can just squeeze it all together, and we can put our key back in there, and we are done. So I hope that helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, we've got videos here on our YouTube channel for pretty much every make or model. So go check those out, or you can just visit us directly at fobbattery.com.